accumulation of substance in molecular species of higher concentration of the surface. Types of absorption: physical absorption, chemical absorption. Absorption isotope. We have the Freundlich theory, Navon theory, and BET theory. Preparation of the adsorbent. The carbon was washed thoroughly and dried. After drying, it was carbonized in a conventional heating furnace at 300 degrees centigrade. After carbonizing, it was squashed to powder form. Preparation of the magnetized bone char. 100 grams of the bone char was mixed with 2 grams of nickel chloride and 1 gram of zinc chloride. During the mixture, 70 ml of water was added to optimize the mixing. And allow the formation of paste. After formation of paste, it was carbonized in the conventional furnace at 600 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. After carbonizing, partial leaching was done with 0.1 molar HCl under reflux to open the pore size of the bone char. Then it was washed with distilled water until it attained the pH of deionized water. Then it was dried in the oven. Preparation of absorbate, which is phosphate, the dihydrogen potassium phosphate. Preparation of the adsorbate was carried out according to the method described by Sampa 2013. Stimulated stock solution of phosphate ion was prepared in a 1000 ml volumetric plant by dissolving 0.2195 gram of potassium dihydrogen phosphate in distilled water. Preparation of different phosphate solution was carried out by the method according to Sampa 2013. Stock solution of potassium hydrogen phosphate was further diluted in water to desired concentration of 10 mg per liter to 500 mg per liter. Results. This is Freundlich and Lagman isotherm model parameter of potassium dihydrogen phosphate by magnetized bone char. To know if the absorption follows the Freundlich isotherm or the Lagman isotherm, we take a look at the R square value, which is the regression value. And literature says that the R square value should not be less than 0 or greater than 1. And it is best when it is 1. So take a look at the R square value of the Freundlich isotherm and the Lagman isotherm. They are both 1. But as literature says that if they have both values, we have to check the chi square, which is the S square value, to know the best isotherm. And the lower the chi square value, the better the isotherm. And the chi square value for the Freundlich isotherm is lower, which means the absorption follows the Freundlich isotherm. And also, we can also know if this absorption follows either chemical process, physical process, or is a linear process by looking at the n, the value of n, which is the intensity parameter. If the value of n is equal to 1, then it follows the linear process. And if the value of n is less than 1, then it's a chemical process. And if the value of n is greater than 1, then it's a physical process. We see that the value of n here is 0, which is less than 1. That is, this absorption follows a chemical process. The temperature isotherm is used to describe the parameters here. The temperature isotherm is used to describe the thermodynamic properties of the absorption. Next. This is just what I just said. Okay, kinetic parameters for potassium dihydrogen phosphate absorption onto magnetized bone char. This is for video first order model and video second order model. As I said earlier, to know the best isotherm in which the absorption follows, take a look at the regression value, which is the R square. The regression value for video first order model is 1, and the regression value for the video second order model is 0.99. And I said it is best when it is 1. And the video first order model or the regression value of the video first order model is 1, and this shows that the video first order model is the best for the absorption. Next. Next. This is just all what I just said. This is the graph of the absorption, of the amount of absorption, amount of adsorbate absorbed as equilibrium against the concentration of adsorbate at equilibrium. Next, conclusion. The magnetized bone chart is seen to be highly effective to remove phosphate from water. The equilibrium data analyzed show that the experimental data of the absorption isotope follows the Friendlich model and the Physioplex order kinetic model. Then my references. Thank you.
Well, I really, this one is young lady, thank you for your presentation. It's Akele. You said you use potassium dihydrogen phosphate. Okay. Can you write the formula at the bottom? Take that pen.
Left.
All right, one other question, because we had asked somebody this same question. That's why I'm asking you. What's the observation number of phosphorus in that? You can calculate it. Yes, phosphorus. Boy, okay, it's all right. That's fine. Okay, all right. Okay, the reason why I'm asking is that some people had embarrassed us in the morning. Somebody didn't write. Somebody believe this doctor. Somebody didn't write. What was that talking about? Nitrate. What nitrate?
Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate.
They didn't know the valency of lead. Okay, we did well, but I have some layman question here. What is a ball child?
This is funny.
What is your first order?
First order. Is when the rate of the reaction is 1, that only one of the species is used to determine the first order of the reaction. The rate of the reaction, only one of the species of molecules is used to determine the rate of the reaction.
You are good, you are good.
Right, just, I don't know, since,
What about
you said, the way you wrote that, pseudo first order, pseudo second order, you joined all of them together. I was wondering, is that the right second order reaction? You join all of them together? Second, but when you say the right second order reaction, is it a one word thing or a second? I think it should be that. Other than, apart from the fact that we were just laughing, your presentation, I think I'm okay with it. Thank you. Come back.